guys, it's Nermeet. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So today I am doing a little video on how I get my hair relaxed. I have mentioned that in my other videos before. I do get my hair chemically treated. It's actually really thick and really curly in real life, or not in real life, naturally. I don't know why I said in real life. So kind of just show you guys like why I get my hair relaxed, and then also like how I can tell when I need to get it relaxed, because I always wait until my hair kind of like tells me, or you know, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's definitely time to get it relaxed, instead of like going like every 2 weeks or every month or something. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but at the top my hair is really curly and thick, to the point that pretty much when I put the camera like this, you can see that it's way raised than it normally, like, I guess would be. So that's pretty much why I get it relaxed. My roots and stuff are really curly, and it's not because like of vanity reasons or anything like that. I actually really like my curly hair. It's really pretty because it's curly hair, but it actually, like, when the root grows in, especially in the back of the neck, it hurts because it's so thick. My mom has the same hair too, so does my brother, so I guess we've kind of gotten it from her side, and my mom gets the same treatment as well. So that's kind of how I started doing it. And I did try to go natural for like a year and a half, and honestly, like, it was really hard. My hair looked really pretty because I love the curls that I get because they're like really cute and springy, but my hair in general is really frizzy, and it's just really thick. And so this treatment just kind of helps us straighten our roots. It lasts for about 3 to 4 months for us, and then we just go back and get it done once our roots have grown in, our new roots. And then obviously our new roots are not chemically treated, so then you go to get that touch up. And so it's usually just to the root area, it's not anywhere else. But yeah, I just thought I'd kind of bring you guys along today on that treatment that I always do. Right now I'm in college, so I have to drive about an hour back to my old home city to get my hair relaxed. My stylist that's always done my hair pretty much for the last 10 years now is out there. So I'll see you guys at my appointment. Bye.
Up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me. Nothing quite like all this color, couldn't paint a better day. Got good times on the horizon, I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me, had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me. as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me.
Hey guys, I just got done for my appointment. You guys are probably gonna see like a montage of the entire thing because that's how long it takes. It literally takes like 2.5 hours. But yeah, it was kind of bittersweet because I had to leave my hairstylist, and I'll be coming down here like every once in a while when I move back up anyways, because I get my laser hair removal at a place down here near my old house, and so that laser hair removal like package that we bought is like for a lifetime, which is super cool. So I will be coming down here every once in a while anyways to get that done, because I'm definitely not like done with all of my sessions that I need to do. So I will be seeing her every once in a while, but just not as often as I normally do, and I probably will have to find a new stylist in my new city that I'm living in. So this is how my hair looks after I get it done. I did get a trim today, so I got just like my dead ends, I guess, and my breakage kind of trimmed off from my balayage. It kind of honestly looks like an ombre now, which I'm definitely not happy about. I got this balayage like 2.5 years ago. After that, I never touched my hair up, so I didn't do anything to it after. Obviously, it got like brassy really quick, so I did use like indigo shampoo or something like that, whatever the hairstylist recommended, and that was like a different lady. And then the last time I did something to my hair was like May, April-ish, and I got it glossed to like tone your hair or something. I don't know, I'm not a hair specialist by any means, but it pretty much like kind of turns it back to like a darker color. So yeah, it turned it kind of back to my original color, and then recently within the past couple months it started to fade again because obviously it's not permanent. I honestly just wish I never had gotten like my hair dyed, because I had virgin hair before. Like I had never done anything to my hair, and I genuinely just like my natural hair color now that I'm older. So yeah, but you know, my teenage self wanted to experiment like most people do, so whatever. But yeah, so I did some long layers, which I haven't done in a long time. I've been getting a straight cut for quite a while, so I did some long layers just for like some movement. I don't know, change it up a little bit. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly just wanted to show you guys like what goes down when I get my hair relaxed, just because I do it quite often, and I thought it was just an interesting process to film. You know, there's a lot of steps and there's not a lot of information on it online. A big shout out to my hairstylist. Not gonna mention her name. I love her, and she's been amazing for like 10 years while I've been here. So yeah, and yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.